Hi and welcome back to Digital Toolcase. In this video I will go through some of the latest updates for SurgeGraph. This is an SEO and AI writing tool. I already made some videos about it. You can find them here on my channel. You can check the links in the description. This is a pretty good tool because you have unlimited content generation with fair use. Obviously, you can connect your OpenAI API keys, and if you commit for a 36-month plan, you have a really cheap tool. As you can see, this is the basic price, and if you want, you can add some add-ons. One is for content vision, image generations, and the other is for product AI. Anyway, they released some days ago the latest updates. As you can see, I showed you these very quickly in my last video. This is the Chili Padi version 4.5 update, but they also released the Chili Padi 4, 4.1, and so on. So let's go through very quickly with these Chili Padi updates so we can test something. This is the Chili Padi 4.0 update. It's mostly related to bulk generation. I will not show you bulk generation in this case because it needs to connect OpenAI API key, and I usually don't do bulk generation too much. I prefer to write articles one by one. So let's go to Chili Padi version, let me find it, 4.1 updates. Enhanced listicle support, contextual terms improvements, and Amazon sorting parameters. Let's go to Chili Padi, let me find 4.2 very quickly. Here it is, auto optimizer in bulk generation. Again, it's related to bulk generation. Custom terms and links in bulk generation, improved contextual terms suggestions. Chili Padi 4.3, content writer updates, introduction conclusion element in outline editor, introduction conclusion toggling in generate outline, a broader glossary for conclusion, bulk generation updates again, and a new feature coming soon. This is the 4.4, title input for content writer and bulk generation, table editor to edit tables, and delete action for images. And finally, Chili Padi version 4.5, custom content goal, generate customized outline, context infuser in bulk generation, English language localization for EU and UK, expert command in streaming mode, and new changelog UI. So let's go inside SurgeGraph. As you may know, SurgeGraph is also a keyword research tool, so I made a very quick keyword research just for the sake of this example. And let's use, for example, how to create content for your brand. So I can copy this keyword. I can also directly click here, but let me copy this keyword. So now I can go here. Here you have your new bulk generation section, and here is where you generate articles. So this is my target keyword. I can insert here my keyword, US, English. I'm using the general article generation in this case. As you can see, you can insert your document title if you want, because this is a generic keyword. If you have a title, a specific title in mind, you can even write it here. And this is one of the new features, and also this one, the content goal. Both are optional. So for instance, this can be a content goal for this article. I want to write a very specific and in-depth article focused on how a small brand can create content online in different formats to engage users and amplify their awareness. Let's try to use this content goal. They are suggesting once you use the content goal to select another option that I suppose it's in the next step. As you can see here, for best results, check the Generate Customized Outline to ensure the AI adheres to your content goal. And here is the Generate Customized Outline. You can opt to generate a completely customized outline that does not rely on topics extracted from the SERP. This is important. And this is especially useful for when you've specified custom content goals. Okay, so I'm in the next step and let me check here what we see. The content length, I will always choose the shortest one. You can also include a point of view. This is in beta. Let me try with, in this case, second person. You have some SERP settings. If you want to check your competitors on the SERP and choose which ones to take content from, but as I said, they are suggesting to use this custom outline. So I click this, and in this case, you need to insert your customized outline. And obviously, if you wanted to create automatically the outline, you can get rid of this. In this case, I just generated an outline with ChatGPT using this keyword. So let me paste it here. Let me just make it better. Okay, so I just finished to make it better. As you can see, you can include H2s, H3s, and H4s just by using space here. So if I get rid of this space, this becomes an H2. If I click on space, it's an H3. And if I click again on space, it's an H4. So this is my custom outline. It's pretty long, so let's see how it goes. What information would you like the AI to include in your outline? I don't use auto-generate H3s in this case because I already have them. Talking points, contextual terms, conclusion, questions, introduction, table of contents, and FAQs. Okay, I suppose I need to click here, generate a completely customized outline. I don't know if this will overwrite my outline at this point, so just for security, let me copy this one so I'm sure I have it. So let me click here and generate outline. Okay, so this is the next step. It seems this is my outline here, the customized one. Perfect, I have different sections. I can also include headings, tables, and lists directly from here. I can add key takeaways. Maybe let me click here and let me go up with these key takeaways. Okay, so I moved my key takeaways at the beginning after the introduction. It's not so easy to move it up, I have to say. I'm thinking of getting rid of this introduction because I don't want it to be too large. So I remove all these section and I will only use this brief introduction. So let me try like this. Even here I have conclusion 2 times because this is the automatic conclusion, so I want to get rid of mine. Okay, so now I think I can go on with this article generation. It's giving me a 91% topic coverage with all these sections. I can navigate with topics, SERP analysis if I want with my competitors, questions, terms, they will be I suppose included in this article, and I can also check for SERP facts if I want to include them. But in this case I will click on this Start Writing, and just confirm this data, tone conversational, second person, let me bring up this creativity and down this readability. Okay, and start writing. And my article is ready in just a few seconds. I'm seeing here a very good 74 score, SEO score with the first generation, not too bad at all. Topic coverage 73%, and I have a table of content at the start of my article, a quick introduction, and I'm not optimizing at the moment, so let's try to read this article very quickly. If you want, you can stop the video and read it by yourself. Anyway, there is a very quick introduction, my key takeaways just after the introduction, understanding your audience, so identifying and profiling your target audience, analyzing audience behavior and preferences, utilizing customer feedback for content inspiration. I already have some bolded terms here. This is pretty good. Setting clear content goals, diversifying content formats, so blog posts, visual content, video content, interactive content. It's following my outline, step by step, leveraging social media platforms. It's talking about TikTok and Instagram, or if you are in the B2B space, LinkedIn, tailoring content, search engine optimization strategies, keyword research, optimizing content for search engines, building backlinks, collaboration and influencer marketing, identifying potential collaborators and influencers in your niche, building authentic relationships for mutual benefit, and this is a not finished paragraph, as you can see, analyzing and adapting, implementing analytic tools, pros, cons, budget-friendly content creation. Is a very specific article, really in depth, and it's just less than 3,000 words. Final remarks, and this is the conclusion. It's not saying a conclusion here. I like this. It's saying final remarks. It's an alternative to the word conclusion. And then I have my FAQs, and they are pretty good. How important is to understand my audience before creating content? Why should I diversify? What role does SEO play? Is influencer marketing worth considering? How can I create budget-friendly brand content? So this is the article. Again, you can stop the video and read it by yourself. I don't have any table in this case, and I don't have lists. It seems there is no problem, but if you want, you can, for example, here where this paragraph is not finished, I can write a command here. So I need to click here, expert command, and just write, please finish the above sentence and make it a paragraph, and click here. As you can see, it's streamed now, so I have my paragraph and I can decide if I want insert or cancel, because maybe I don't like it. So I can do like this and get rid of this other one, and now I have a finished paragraph here. Let's try to include a table here with expert command. I want a table. Create a table about the best content formats and their benefits. So let me try this. I have a table. I can insert it here. And I think I can even edit this table in some way by, I suppose, clicking here, delete table, insert column after. So now this is one of the new features. You can also change this table if you don't like it. And this is it. Obviously, here you have all your SEO section. You can also auto-optimize, you can include SERP effects. If you want to make your article even better and factually correct, you have again topic, questions, links, and contextual terms. These are the ones already included, but as I said, this is a pretty good score. Let me try to click on this auto optimize. So let's see if this can be even better. Okay, I'm doing some auto optimization. You can also add the links. I don't want to do it in this case because I see they are pretty old Facebook links. Anyway, you have also some trend Google links. BuzzSumo, pretty authoritative, business for apps. So let me include some of these links so you can see how this works. You can select them one by one or just click on accept all and OK. I suppose the optimization is good like this. And as you can see, my score now is 86. So pretty good. I have some bolded terms more. I have this link on BuzzSumo, for instance. You can also auto-optimize for custom terms and links, adding items if you want manually here, and then auto-optimize by clicking here once you add your links you want to include. And here it is. This is the article. It's pretty good, and please consider, in this case, I'm using GPT 3.5 Turbo. If you want to use GPT-4, you can use it, or maybe GPT 3.5 1106, but you need to include and connect your API keys if you want to use those AI models. And this is how you create a generic article into SurgeGraph. One of the other updates was this English language localization for Australia and United Kingdom. Now the content followed localized nuances for the language better. So when you create an article, here you can choose United Kingdom or Australia, for example, and the content will be more tailored for your accent. Let's see these added Amazon sorting parameters for better product retrieval in product roundups. So if you have the add-on here, you can click on this product roundup and insert. Let me go here with United States. Okay, let me copy some products from Amazon, or I can include a target keyword here. So best gaming headphones 2024, and now I can click on suggest from SERP or suggest from Amazon, and even choose a default setting: price, low to high, high to low, featured, average customer review, and newest arrivals. So this is, I suppose this is this new update. You can choose the Amazon sorting parameters like price and so on. This is interesting. So let me choose, for example, average customer review. If you want, for instance, to review the best products on Amazon. And here it is. Please validate the names and URLs before creating the document so you can check these articles. So For example, the number one is Best Got 2024 Kids Bluetooth Headphones. Let me try to open this link, and this product is correct. Anyway, this is how it works. So now you have a list of 10 products sorted by average customer review. Obviously, you can include your Amazon affiliate ID. You can also provide a list of products names without link, and SurgeGraph will find the links on Amazon for you. And you can obviously edit these products if you want. So just for the sake of this example, just to make something really quick, I want to try with 3 products. Let's suppose your Amazon ID is, I use test 21, just to show you how it works, and click on create document. Okay, in this case I will use an auto point of view. Let me just generate outline. This is a pretty short article, I suppose, because I only choose 3 different products. Anyway, I click on start writing, and let me change this on persuasive, and let's do like this. And again, I have a pretty high score here. I have a topic coverage of 100%. The article is not too long, but it's anyway more than 1500 words. I have an introduction. I have a table with specifics for this Best Got 2024. I don't have images in this case, but I have an image here. So in this case I have an image, again with a section and a table with specifics. Again, I have an image and the section. I have this very short buyer's guide, and I have these closing thoughts. As you can see, again, there is not the word conclusion, but closing thoughts. So this is interesting. And an FAQ section. If you want, you can stop the video and read this article by yourself. Again, pretty short because these are only 3 products, but just to show you how it works. And I suppose here I don't know where is the link to the product. I don't know if this is a bug or something, but I can't find the link to the product. Let me click here on this link. It's not here. I suppose it's a bug because, for example, here where it says Turtle Beach XO, I expected to have a link to this product with my affiliate ID or a button here, for instance. And again, I suppose it's a bug because this kind of article is supposed to give you a finished article even with affiliate links. So this is something I will report to SurgeGraph team, because it's important that you have your links here. Anyway, this is the article, the kind of article you can have with the product roundup. They also made an update for the Listic Call. Now you can generate Listic Calls for however many items you want, 10, 20, 100. Here in the Listic Call section you can again include your target keyword, the title, the list items. You can auto-suggest based on SERP or include your own articles, show them as H2s or H3s. And you can choose the number you want here. The number you enter will determine the exact number of list items. Okay, so in this video I won't show you this listicle because this video is already too long, but anyway, these are some of the new features you can find into SurgeGraph. This is the tool. You can find the link in the description. These are the prices. You can test it for 1 month for $44. You can test it with 12 months and the price is way lower, or this is the 36-month plan, and obviously you have a 30-day money-back guarantee, so even if you pay for this plan and you don't like it, you can have your money back, as you can see here. And you also have 60 free content vision credits, so you can test the image generation. That's all for this SurgeGraph video. I hope this video was helpful for you. If so, click on the like button, subscribe to my channel. You can even click here and watch my other content about SurgeGraph. That's all, thank you very much, and I'll see you soon in the next video.